Ladies and gentlemen, Gobby here, and today we're gonna take a look at this Prozis Active Beats wireless earphone. There we go, so this is the box. It's the Prozis Active Beats Sport-Wise earphone AB-1B. Pretty simple box. On the back you can see the specification. The wireless range is 10 meter, IPX7. The playtime is 7-9 hour. Standby time 270 hours. Charging time within 2 hours. Suitable for sports, built-in microphone. I just quickly open the box. Just gonna put this here. It's a simple, plain red box. Alright. Wow. What an unboxing experience, ladies and gentlemen, is just dropped in here. Wow. So I got this earphone. Instructions. A few more ear tips and the charging cable. I'm going to try to pair it with my phone. And it looks like Optimus Prime. So it looks interesting. Maybe the other one. No, on the left there is no button on the left, so it must be on the right. Okay, now it's power on, it says. Once you see the Prozis at the connections, just click on it. Just wait a little bit. And now the lady says it's connected. Just press the button. Hold it. Yeah, now it's connected. The auto pairing mode works very well, it seems like. Just hold again. It's not bad. First, I just got extremely loud volume. Honestly, the bass is amazing, which is quite unexpected. Super science fiction. The sound quality is a lot better than I expected, so it's a big plus, but a big minus that it looks horrible. Okay, try the microphone. Prozis wireless earphone microphone test. 1, 2, 1, 2. But to be honest, I don't know where the microphone is. I think it's on the right side. So how does it sound like? I'm not telling you that this ear part is good or bad because it depends on you. Personally, I don't like it, but it definitely makes it harder to find out from your ears. It makes more safe in your ears, I guess. But it's just, I don't like how it looks like. This earphone doesn't really have any fancy functions like active noise cancellation or anything like that. It just has this plastic earplug which makes it tight in your ear and less noise coming from the street or from around you, but that's all. Altogether, the sound quality of this earphone is pretty decent, so I can recommend you in this aspect, but it looks bad. It's just a bulky in your ears and I don't like it, so I'm pretty sure you can find a way better looking one in this price range, and I would rather choose that one or a different one because I don't like this. But I hope you liked this video, I hope you got something out of it. Thumbs up if you did, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming Optimal review. Goodbye.